Welcome to FreshoBee. In today's video, we'll talk about the virtual onboarding procedure and about the training process of Infosys. Before that, let me tell you about our channel. We provide all the latest information regarding various job openings and information regarding the onboarding procedure and about the exam process of various MNCs. So please don't forget to like, share and comment on the videos, and also don't forget to subscribe so that you can get all the updates regarding various job openings and such videos. So we'll move forward with the today's video, which is about the Infosys onboarding procedure and about the training process. I have made a list of the contents that we'll discuss in this video. The contents are like the offer letter information, the document verification procedure, the NSR thing, the virtual onboarding process, pay, about the training process and about the assessment. So please don't skip the video in between, watch the video till the end so that you can get all the information correctly. So talking about the exam process, I have already made a complete video on exam process. I'll provide the link for the same video in the description box of this video. Please go through that link so that you can get the complete detailed information regarding the exam process of Infosys. So once you are done with your exam process, Infosys will send all the offer letters to the finally selected students. In that offer letter, they'll mention the things like the date of joining, about the salary structure and about the further procedures like document verification and about the training process. So after offer letter, we'll talk about the document verification. So Infosys will send mails to all the finally selected students on their registered emails, and they'll also mail the launchpad thing. There you have to upload all the documents they'll tell you to upload on that launchpad. They'll send you the link for this launchpad on your registered emails. So after document verification, we will talk about the NSR. The NSR is basically National Skill Registry. It is a mandatory document that one need to submit if he or she is joining any IT company. So NSR is a bit complex process that cause you have to also give your biometrics to fulfill this procedure. So Infosys is also accepting the only acknowledgement number because this is a lengthy process to get your NSR document. So for getting the acknowledgement number, just go to the official website of the NSR and apply online. There you will get your acknowledgement number. So if you don't have your NSR document, you can also give your acknowledgement number, and once you will get your NSR document, then you have to upload that too on the launchpad. So after NSR, we'll talk about the virtual onboarding process. So this year Infosys is planning to take all the trainings like the generic training and stream trainings both in an online manner. The training for very first batch has already started on the August of 24th. So this year the complete training procedure will be taken online. Talking about the pay, so yes, Infosys is going to pay during the training period to all the fresher candidates. So after pay, we'll talk about the training process. So in training process, they'll firstly begin with the induction program that will be held for 5 days. In induction program, they'll mainly discuss about the rules and regulations and how the training process is going to be and about the do's and don'ts. So this is about the induction program. After induction, they'll go with the soft skill training for 3 days. So after soft skill, they'll go with the generic training for 35 days. In generic training, normally they used to train all the candidates on Python, but from this year they are planning to train the candidates on Java for 35 days. So after generic training, they'll go with the soft skill training for again 3 days. So after soft skill, they'll go with the stream training for 43 days. So in stream training, they'll mainly divide all the candidates on random domains, and they'll train all the candidates in those domains for 43 days. The domain selection will be completely random. So after training process, let's see about the assessments. So there will be mainly two types of training, that is generic training and stream training. So in generic trainings there will be two subjects, that is FA1 and FA2. In FA1, that is Java, they'll conduct proper hands-on and an MCQ assessment test, and it is mandatory to score minimum of 65% to clear that assessment. And in FA2, that is DBMS, they'll conduct the hands-on and an MCQ test. Here also you have to score minimum 65% to clear this test. So in stream trainings there will be totally 3 subjects, that is FA1, FA2 and FA3. In all these 3 subjects you have to score minimum 50% to clear this assessment. So make sure you score minimum 65% in generic trainings and 50% in stream training subjects. All the assessments will be conducted under the webcam and microphone, and all the candidates will be completely monitored during the exam, so that no malpractice happens. So in this way we have seen all the information regarding the virtual onboarding procedure and about the training process of Infosys, and even we saw about the assessment thing. So please don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and please don't forget to subscribe so that you can get more such videos, and we'll meet in the next video.